Hello miss, my name is Shanuga. This is my second video in my bug bounty program. I have chosen Alibaba.com for my bug bounty. In this week, I have scanned some various different a lot of subdomains in Alibaba.com, but in here, login.alibaba.com subdomain, I have found another CSR of vulnerability, cross-origin resource sharing vulnerability. Assume that we can think if man in the middle attack, if we are gonna execute man in the middle attack, we can retrieve email and password of the Alibaba.com user. If he has a valid session, he do not send his email and password to that site, because he has valid session and he valid with his own cookie value to if we but we can retrieve his we can send the victim's email and password by log out him. To do that, we can use this cross-origin resource sharing vulnerability. I made this CSR generate CSR of POC, and options include to submit. We can do the task with this simple HTML code. I have copied this HTML to normal HTML code. This is my HTML code, and I have logged into my account. This is my account. I have logged in to my Alibaba.com account. I will reload it. This is my logged in account. If I execute this HTML in web, my account is login out. Takes some time. Okay, I logged out. I can ensure that by reloading this. Okay, now I am log out. I can use this CSRF for log down any user, and after that he need to send this login credentials to again Alibaba.com. Then man in the middle attack can execute. After that, I have do an again nmap scan with different parameters. In this scan, I have retrieved 3 open ports, SMTP, HTTP, and HTTPS open ports. But in here, there are HTTP methods, supported methods. We can use any of these HTTP methods for do our thought, but they are also disclosed trace HTTP method. With this trace HTTP method, this is very risky HTTP method, because we can retrieve all the request headers and bodies in HTTP response. Because of that, this is very risky HTTP method to use. I have used trace method for some things in here, but I have not succeeded. It's access denied, access denied, access denied, invalid URL, access denied. I will try to do more than this in next week. Okay, and this is the OS detection scan in nmap. We have found OS is Linux 2.6. And also I have used SMTP that I previously showed, this SMTP open port 25. I have used that port for retrieve some information, SMTP enumeration, SMTP, and I have rhost. This is alibaba.com IP address, but I have got nothing in execution. I will try to do more in this scenario in next week. After that, I have checked Alibaba's robots.txt. This is the Alibaba robot.txt file. Usage agent anyone. This is Bing bot usage agent and Google bot. In here, they are only allowing only five allowing into Bing bot, but to Google bot they are allowing 6. I think here we have got something. I will check out more about this in next week. I have got nothing about in this week because I couldn't able to search nothing, because the Alibaba's security is very high. Example, I have login log out my account so many times to do some capturing HTTP request and some do stuff. After I login log out some like 7-8 times, they have called me and asked me what are you trying to reconnect to account and what is the problem. Like that, their security is very high. They are very user friendly. In this week I have only got this logout scenario, but I will try to do more in next week, because I have got something to start in here and in here. Thank you.